How to change your Remitly password. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your Remitly password, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see several options, okay? You can see three different tabs, which include send money, transfer history, refer friends, and then by the top right corner, you can see the Remitly logo. Then once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see the welcome option. Okay, so once you see this option, click on it, then go ahead and click on settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be taken to the settings page where you'll see a list of things that you can do to customize your account. So under this page, you can see by the left side, you can see profile information, notifications, recipients, payment methods, your privacy choices, legal resources. So under profile information, scroll down until you can see password. Now as you can see password, move to the top right side and click on edit. Then here, you'll be asked to input the current password, the new password, confirm the password, click on save, and then just like that, your password would be changed. You can see how simple it is, so ensure you try this out. Thank you for watching.